What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, the place where we don't just talk about specs. We talk about how your tech actually performs when it matters. And today, we're checking out something small but mighty. These are the Huawei FreeBuds 6, and they're not your average earbuds. We're talking next-gen audio, AI smarts, noise cancellation, and even real-time language interpretation. Yeah, these things are wild. If you've ever dealt with laggy audio, earbuds that fall out mid-run, or just weak sound that leaves your playlists sounding flat, this might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns. And if you're tired of earbuds that sound premium but act basic, let's dive in. Right out of the box, the FreeBuds 6 give off that polished, futuristic look, especially in this black finish. It's curved, sleek, and fits perfectly in your hand. Pop the case open and boom, those shiny buds are just waiting to go. They've got a semi-in-ear design that's comfy for all day wear. Light enough that you forget they're in, but secure enough that they stay put whether you're jogging, walking, or just chilling at your desk. And yes, they've got that satisfying magnetic snap when you dock them back into the case. You already know what I'm talking about. Now let's talk sound, because this is where FreeBuds 6 flex hard. With support for HWA certified 2.3 megabits per second lossless audio, when paired with Huawei Mate 70 series or other supported HarmonyOS 4.3 Plus devices, you're getting studio-level sound quality in a wireless earbud. That means crisp highs, deep bass, and rich mids that bring your music or podcasts to life. Whether you're zoning in at the gym or zoning out on your commute, the sound just hits. And yes, active noise cancellation is on board. These are equipped with triple mic ANC plus a bone conduction mic for accurate voice pickup, even in noisy environments. You've also got a smart ambient mode that lets you hear your surroundings when you need to. Perfect for quick convos or crossing busy streets. Everything's handled automatically based on how and where you're wearing them, thanks to smart detection tech that knows when they're in your ears or not. Pairing is effortless. These use Bluetooth 5.2 and connect instantly to HarmonyOS 2.0 Plus or Android phones running EMUI 10.1 Plus. You also get dual device connection, so you can switch between your phone and tablet or laptop with zero fuss. No unpairing, no headaches. Just smooth, intelligent switching. And for my mobile gamers out there, yes, low latency mode is here. That means audio syncs perfectly during fast-paced games, videos, or calls. These buds are loaded with AI smart volume that adjusts based on your surroundings. Too noisy? Volume goes up. Things quiet down? The buds scale it back. It's hands-off and automatic, like having a sound guy in your pocket. Plus, you've got support for voice assistance and simultaneous interpretation. Yeah, that's right. These buds can actually translate in real time when paired with compatible HarmonyOS Next devices. Super clutch for travel, business, or just leveling up your global communication game. Battery life? Solid. You're getting up to 5.3 hours of continuous playback with ANC on, and way more with the case. The case is pocket-sized but powerful. Wireless charging and fast top-ups keep you moving, and the earbuds themselves only take about 40 minutes to fully charge. So yeah, no more running out of juice mid-podcast or halfway through your favorite playlist. You've got tap controls too. Double tap to pause, skip, or answer a call, long press to toggle ANC, and they're fully customizable inside the Huawei AI Life app. And yes, it supports Find My Earbuds in case you drop one under the couch or lose it in your car. We've all been there. Here's the thing. The FreeBuds 6 are more than just earbuds. They're a smart, seamless part of your setup. Whether you're streaming, gaming, calling, or translating on the fly, these buds are built to do more than just play music. At around $159, they pack flagship features that usually come with a much higher price tag. So, if you've been holding out on true wireless earbuds that can actually keep up, this might just be your green light. Let's recap. Studio quality lossless audio at 2.3 megabits per second. Triple mic ANC plus bone conduction mic for crystal clear calls. AI smart volume and smart ambient sound mode. Bluetooth 5.2 with dual device connection and low latency gaming mode. Real-time interpretation and voice assistant support. Customizable tap controls. Plus wear detection. Wireless charging case with compact design. All-day comfort with sleek, semi-in-ear fit. If you're looking for wireless earbuds that do way more than just sound good, the Huawei FreeBuds 6 are worth a serious look. Let me know in the comments what features you look for in earbuds. And if these check your boxes, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more smart gear reviews every week. Until next time, stay tuned, stay synced. Peace out.